Now, the humidity, we had a break from it today. It's all coming back, unfortunately. In fact, tonight already, you can see the leading edge of that moist air mass beginning to lift towards the north, and that really kicks into high gear overnight tonight. You're going to walk out the front door and your glasses are going to fog up again, something we didn't have to deal with this morning. Unfortunately, it's back in full force. Temperature-wise, not a lot of changes, a tad bit warmer. 64 first thing in the morning, low 80s by lunchtime, mid 80s by tomorrow evening in northwest Arkansas. The River Valley, meanwhile, will start off the day just shy of 70, quickly warming up into the 90s for the afternoon high temperatures. I do want to let you know there's a low chance of a couple of strong to severe thunderstorms tomorrow evening. It's a really low chance. I think a lot of us probably end up staying dry. There's a disturbance that's going to move through parts of Missouri. It may just barely clip parts of northwest Arkansas with a couple of these thunderstorms. The overall risk is a level 1 out of 5. You can see that's going to be for the areas here shaded in green. In terms of potential hazards, it would be some damaging winds, maybe some small hail. But again, I think a lot of us are probably going to end up being dry. The chance of those isolated storms tomorrow evening at about 20%. We do find another front coming in Wednesday into Thursday. It's going to provide a better chance of rain, maybe even some thunderstorms. Now, some of the rain could occur as early as 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock Thursday morning. I think those chances are going to be a tad bit lower. But when that front gets a little bit further into the area, right around the time we're starting to get warm and muggy in the afternoon, that combination of factors could result in more widespread coverage of some of these afternoon pop-up thunderstorms, a couple of which could be strong, maybe on the severe side. But I think right now, we're looking at some hit or miss coverage throughout the afternoon. And as you can see with that front just slowly sagging towards the south, some of that very well could continue into Thursday evening. Now by Friday, I think we're drying out, albeit I am going to maintain a low chance of a stray shower, primarily in the River Valley where we're closer to that front on Friday morning. Second half of Friday likely going to be drier, albeit we could stay mostly cloudy throughout the day. That's likely going to be our best chance of rain is going to be between, let's say, Thursday morning into Thursday afternoon. We'll drop it to 10% chance on Friday. Here's the coveted weekend, 20% chance on Saturday. By and large, a really good day. And behind that front, we're down to 84 degrees. I mean, draw up a better day on Beaver Lake. 84, partly sunny skies, not bad at all. Sunday, we'll have an increasing chance of a couple of showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder. That's going to be at 30%, not a weekend washout. That's good. Going into next week, we do find a bit more of an active weather pattern that will bring almost daily chances of showers and some thunderstorms, especially on Monday. Right now, those rain chances deferred to Monday morning into the first part of the day. We'll watch that for you really closely. Temperature-wise, you know, normal right around this time of the year in northwest Arkansas is 85. You can see that we're going to peak above that a little bit by Wednesday, but for the most part, we're kind of staying pretty close to that, if not several days actually below average, which, I mean, heck, I don't know about you, but I'm pretty used to being below average.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah,
yes.
kind of like it, right? Low 90s in the River Valley the next couple of days. Wednesday's going to feel downright muggy. I know you see the 92 and you're thinking, yeah, I mean, it's the middle of June. Of course, it's going to be in the low 90s. And, well, you're correct. The humidity Wednesday is going to be really up there. So we're going to actually have heat index values probably closer to that 105 range. I wouldn't be surprised to see a couple of heat alerts issued for the River Valley on Wednesday under a mostly sunny sky. We'll watch for that chance on Thursday with some maybe lingering into Friday. Although I'll tell you, Darren, Friday, closing out the work week, 86.
Not bad.
Not bad.
And for those who might have to walk the plank, this coming Saturday,
Yes.
It may actually feel
It'd be fantastic. I've been in the water.
Not bad.
I was in the water last weekend. Felt fantastic. I'm going to put a link to register to that event on our website,
Yes.
and there's still a few slots. You just get a group of friends, dress up as pirates, go
It's
play
so
poker
much
around the
fun.
lake. I don't know how to play poker, but I mean, even I had fun. And losers can be winners.
That's right, exactly. All right, Scott, thanks.